The ggplot2 package in R lets you turn data into stunning visuals with just a few lines of code. There is a bit of a learning curve to coding in R, but because of this coding, you also gain an incredible amount of control over the visualizations you make. A lot of the power of ggplot2 comes from its approach to building data visualizations. You essentially construct the graph layer by layer, adding in as many or as few components as you desire. The default aesthetics are generally workable, but users can also add more code to fine-tune their visualizations if they feel comfortable doing so. When building a data visualization in ggplot2, I first specify the data source and variables. For this graph, I'm using the monster data from the 2024 Dungeons & Dragons update. I want to compare monsters based on their armor class on the x-axis and challenge rating on the y-axis, and fill the data points with colors depending on their size class. I then tell R to create a scatter plot and specify aesthetics such as the point shape, size, and transparency. After that, there are seemingly endless ways in which I can customize my graph by changing font sizes, colors, axis labels, and even splitting the data into different panels based on the size class variable. This is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what ggplot2 can do. One more aspect of ggplot2 that I love is the ggsave function, which lets you export images of your plots and makes it easy to customize the dimensions and resolution too. If you're interested in learning more, check out our Carpentries and Data Bytes series for R-related workshops at the Oklahoma State University Library. Link is in the description.